Hey traders, quick update on Cardano. It's down about 6% this week, currently trading near $0.24, a long way from its all-time high of $3.10 back in September 2021. So what's going on? Just a pullback? Or something more bearish? Honestly, it could be a bit of both. Short-term dips like this are totally normal in crypto. But zooming out, ADA is still in a broader downtrend unless we see stronger buying momentum. If buyers step in and push prices up, this could just be a healthy correction, but if the price keeps slipping, it may signal continued bearish pressure. Cardano trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.